Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Brian from One Touch Detailing here. Please like, comment, subscribe. Today we're working on a Volvo. This thing is getting a platinum detail, full inside and out. As you can see right now, we currently got the doors open. I'm gonna start sliding the seats forward and removing everything, removing all the mats, removing everything out the car so we can get working. Stay tuned, let's get going guys. Thank you. All right guys, so in this video, I'm gonna simply show you guys how I perform my wash. Right now the vehicle is hot. I'm gonna spray the vehicle off, cool it down, obviously clean the wheel wells and things of that sort. This right here is, I don't know if you guys can see it up close, but this is my 15-inch nozzle. I'm gonna change it to my Ryobi nozzle, my Ryobi nozzle, so that way I can clean the inside of the wheel wells. Also, I got some chemical to spray on the wheels. I'm gonna grab that tool now, and then we're gonna start cleaning the wheels, spraying the body off, and prepping it up and everything. Here's my tool. This is a tool I like to use just to clean the inside of the wheel wells, get a lot of that dirt out of that carpet fiber, try to remove that stuff as much as possible. So I'm gonna get going guys. I don't wanna hold you guys up with too much talking, and I'm gonna start moving, and you guys can watch me how I take care of this vehicle. I'm gonna first start off with the cooling sensation of the vehicle first. And you might ask, why don't I see two buckets? It's because we're dealing with real time. That's just cooling off stage one. All right guys, so spray the inside of my wheel wells. We'll spray the rims as well, the inside of the rims. And again, I go around and do all four. I do all four. I let the chemical do its job, and I come back and spray it off. And then I finish with the rims later on, once I'm completed washing and everything like that. This is just to remove the brake dust, remove some of the contaminants off the rims. And it depends on certain rims. You don't want to let your chemical sit too long. Depending on how you have your mix ratio set, you don't want to let it sit too long. You want to kind of spray it in, do your cleaning, your agitation, and spray it off. Whatever that is you guys are doing. Okay guys, so I have all the rims sprayed up now. So right now I'm going to do a spray it off with the nozzle I just told you about. Spin action there. And I simply let the chemical in the machine do the work. You can probably see it dripping down off the wheel wells here. Let it simply do the work. Watch your face while you're spraying, guys. You don't want some of the chemicals to get in your eyes. You want to be safe as possible while you're doing this. Some guys like to switch to the longer nozzle as they're cleaning the rims off. As long as you got a quick connect, I guess, it'll be pretty quick to do so. Wish I had the camera up close to show you guys a lot of debris, a lot of dirt coming out of there. You guys have it. So now I also sprayed a little bit on the side of the body to remove some of this stuff here. Just to help break up any car contaminants. There was some bugs on the side of there, also some road tar. So I just sprayed it to loosen that stuff up. Like I said, guys, we're working in real time. Don't have time to really play around. I have another vehicle to do as well. So we want to speed up this process as much as possible. I'm currently going to just clean my mats off. Simple, little APC, drill brush, and spray it down with some water. Very simple. Simple as that. Take your gun, spray it off. Simple. So I have hooks. What I would do is put my hooks up and I'll let it dry. Simple air dry. So we'll move on to the next step. Just simple, easy. Let the water drain off, and like I said, I put it on top of my van here. I will grab the hooks, but it'll go on top of the van, and we'll simply just hang this up where it's not a problem. All right, guys, so get back to the video here. I do use a soft brush for an SUV like this. Instead of me having to pull out my ladder, I use a soft bristle brush like this, completely soft. I use a brush like this for the top, and then I hand wash the body and everything else. So what you're gonna see me do now is, again, cool the vehicle back off one more time because I'm ready to wash. Spray my, my rags, foam the vehicle. I'm gonna use this broom to clean the top of the vehicle, and then my wash mix to clean the body and that sort. Also have a minor scratch I gotta remove on the passenger side here. We'll go through that and demonstrate that video as well. Let's get going. I'm gonna spray it off real fast and we'll start washing. Watching me spray this off, please remember, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're okay to any kind of comments. If it's something that you dislike me doing, or you don't approve of me doing, or maybe you can give me some tips on what I'm doing, drop a comment, leave me a message, let me know. It's okay, man. We're all here for it. We're all trying to grow. Remember, this video is only so much minutes long, so I'm just showing you a few pointers and a few tips in the amount of minutes that I'm putting this video together for you guys. Just trying to give you some helpful thoughts and some helpful tips. Not trying to just drain you guys with a bunch of videos, but hopefully to help you guys out and improve your business, improve yourself, and hopefully help you out to grow. So we're gonna put our foam cannon on. We're gonna start foaming the vehicle. I have a heavy foam going. It's a heavy foam. Go ahead and spray the other side. Like I said, remember guys, it's warm, but it's not warm enough to dry the foam completely where it's gonna leave water spots and watermarks. It's just perfect. Just enough perfect for me, guys. So also what I do is I let the soap sit a little bit, grab some of the dirt. You can easily rinse it off and refoam. I'm gonna start with the top of the vehicle. Give it a nice rub. And this is also so my clothes don't get wet. You know, who wants to be done with a job and your clothes are completely wet, guys? Use your broom, use your tools, and clean the top with the broom and go around the rest of the body with my hand rags, as you'll see me do in a few minutes. It's done. We start from the top of the vehicle and we go side to side. Side to side. I always have two rags. Sometimes my hands get tired, and I always keep this on the paint to keep it slippery. And it's just sliding across and moving across the paint. But sometimes your hand gets tired and you want to just switch up sides or switch the angle of how you're washing. So that's the reason why I carry two rags. I see some guys that put the hand behind their back and they're washing. I'm not in a workout. You know, I can do so, but we're just trying to simply get the vehicle done. All right, guys, vehicle's all rinsed, washed off. I'm gonna rinse it. Rinse all this dirt. Some people have a method on washing. Me, I have a little bit of method I put into place when I wash. Like to kind of rinse it in one direction where, whether I'm on the passenger side or the driver's side, I like to kind of push it off the vehicle and push it to whatever side. So that's kind of like down and off. You know, we want to make the rinses process, the washing off or rinsing process as quick as possible and as easy as possible. So now you see me rinsing it off and also pushing it to the driver's side as well. All right guys, so remember I told you guys earlier that we was going to remove a little scratch here. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Already got everything prepped up and I'm gonna start this removing as quick as possible. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. Everything else is finished. Just gotta retire shine and clean up the windows and this vehicle is done. All right, so that's it. I went ahead and did the whole driver's side, the passenger side. Nothing crazy, just a quick touch up, quick polish, nothing crazy, all right? Hey guys, so this concludes the video. We'll wrap it up the video with this vehicle being excluded. We completed a full detail here, platinum service on this vehicle, rims, exterior, interior, also some dog hair removal, and we had a light scratch on the passenger door that we took care of as well. So please, again, if you like this video, please like the video, comment on the video. We don't mind comments, whatever you guys have to say, comment. Whether it's a dislike, if it's a like, please drop the comment, guys. And also hit that notification bell so when I do drop a new video, you guys get the reminder. All right, thank you, I appreciate it, and enjoy, guys.